so much traffic, it like saves me probably a year of life. Who knows, it might save me from getting cancer. So I try to do that as often as possible in traffic. I can really feel the difference, because if you don't turn that off, you can feel the exhaust like inside the cabin. If you do turn that off, it only gets like foggy on the windows, but that's okay because it's just traffic. You don't have to look so much through the windows. Whoa, struggling here in 12th gear, 1000 RPMs. So here's our exit then. Solna Central. So we have the whole trailer to these guys. And when I dropped off the trailer, I'm gonna go to another place with the truck. But I don't think I'm gonna record that. I think this will be it for today. I'm actually gonna try and start recording less. Because it's... oh, they're a cool couple. Look how cute. Holding each other. Anyways, I think, as I said, I'm not gonna record so much. I'm just gonna record like this one stop, because it's gonna be so much easier for me to upload the videos. It's gonna take so much less time. Because my videos are freaking like half an hour is like 10 gigabytes. It's crazy. Oh no, wait. Oh, first I thought I was gonna go here without the GPS, but now I'm really happy that I did. Or I don't know, I would probably get confused otherwise, because I'm not sure if I remember the way correctly. Because I thought at first this was gonna be this road that you turn off into the place, but I guess I'm wrong. I guess it's the another way. Apparently it is. Yeah, and I should probably keep the right lane here, but yeah, let's keep the right lane, man. Sorry, because I'm very long and I don't want to sweep out like that to make this intersection, and then I can't see what the hell is on my right side. Now I can see what's on my left side easily. That's what I learned from my traffic school. It's very important. Look at those guys, can't use, not a single person uses their blinkers. Why would I stop when they decide they go forwards? Everybody that doesn't use their blinkers in roundabouts, they're the reason that I drive out straight out of nowhere and you almost crash into me, because it's, I'm sorry, but nobody uses their blinkers, so I can't know if you're going straight or to the right. So I just drive usually sometimes. I just drive right in front, drive out right in front of them. Because you can't tell, you can't stand there forever and get annoyed by everybody that's not using their blinkers. Okay, so I would have probably made it without the GPS. As you can see, you could have had the right lane. That's a sign for dangerous goods. I have dangerous goods license, by the way, but it's about to expire. Oh boy, this is exciting now. We're almost here. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous, man. Shit, how am I gonna see anything with these mirrors? Is there not any towel here? It's only some pieces of paper. Oh boy. I guess we can just wipe off at least this mirror. That one I'm not reachable. You can see how much traffic that's gonna go there where I'm gonna back up. We're gonna go straight and then just like a little bit to our right. Clean my window. I look funny. I look really funny. I had a massage last night from like a real professional massage place, and boy, my whole face got like swollen up because I was in that hole, you know, in the bed. Here we go. Here we go. So firstly, I learned that it doesn't matter if I turn on my warning lights or anything. I just gotta kind of go to the left here and let the people pass me on my right, and when they pass me, then I can start blocking them. I have to let them pass first because nobody stops right away. Here's the railway train, or whatever they call them now. At least it's easy because it's only one way here, you can only go straight. But of course people can go in there as well, but it's not so much traffic. There's our place, and we want to back up in here. So firstly we let them go past us like that. Then I turn on my rear lights like so people know I'm gonna back up here. So as you see, you have a railway, you have traffic coming. I mean, this place, it's just so freaking annoying and hard to back up into. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to turn down my windows so I can hear if I crash into something. I don't know, you have a traffic light behind you that is very easy to crash into. Okay, now we can start turning the trailer. It's going to be as early as freaking possible. This is actually, it's kind of too late. Yeah, it's actually too late. I want to save it, so I want to go as early as freaking possible. Lucky there's no cars behind us yet. Hopefully we can make this in one try here without going backwards and forwards like douchebags. Alright, come on, trailer, show me what you got. Oh, there's a truck coming up behind us now. Over the curve, come on, you can do it. It's not so hard, only if you do it right from the start here. It's not so hard actually. So we can turn back now, I think. Yes. Yeah. Don't want to go in too steep. Otherwise we have a problem back straightening it out. Yeah, that looks really good. Man, I'm starting to get the gist of this now, after I've done it a couple of times. Perfect, this is perfect. I am so happy with myself. There we are, we're inside, guys. We made it. And we did it. Oh, that squeak is so annoying. We didn't barely disturb anyone. Now we're inside. I'm just gonna go back and open up the doors. Then I'm gonna put it straight into the port there. It's not gonna be so hard because all I basically have to do is go forward and go a bit closer. So that's about it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record anything else today. I hope you enjoyed. And there's the railway. Very happy that I made it fastly, because otherwise I would block his way totally. Anyways, I'm gonna also write my arrival time and the degree